Welcome to Kroolo. In this video, we will have a look at repo integration in sprints. So this is our sprints dashboard. First of all, click on the Engineering Intelligence. This is where we can integrate repositories. Repo integration allows you to connect your project repositories from platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Once connected, it automatically syncs development activities such as pull requests, statuses, authors, and timestamps into the sprint dashboard. This helps teams track engineering progress alongside the sprint. At the top, you'll see GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. You can connect any of these. As we can see, GitHub is already connected here. Once you connect it, you will see this drop down here. When you click on it, you will see a list of all the repositories. Here we can see there are 2 repositories. Simply choose the repository from which you want to pull the data. Once you select the repository, you are going to see the data in a table. Here we can see the pull request number, pull request title, author, created date, assignee, close date, and status. We can also go to the next page. Simply click on Next Page and this will take you to the next page. You can also scroll down to see more pull requests. To go to the previous page, you can click on Previous, and we are back to the same page. To update the data, you can click on Refresh. Now we have the latest data. This way, you can keep a track of engineering performance easily. That's how simple it is to integrate repositories in sprints.